stretching exercise is started in seated position, rolling back, legs overhead, touching ground, place hands to the side. Now balling up and rocking from lower back to upper shoulder. And again, position rolling back, legs overhead, touching ground, place hands to the side. In step 1, you'll want to put on a ski cap or skull cap to protect the back and top of your head for these moves. In step 2, you will do a back roll with legs going straight overhead into squatted crouching position. Notice how hands are placed and direction they are placed. In step 3, roll back and kick feet and legs straight up when you are on your upper shoulder. Again, notice the position of your hands. In step 4, roll back and kick feet and legs straight up, this time lifting your body up with your arms. The timing of kicking your legs and lifting should be exact. This will make it easier by using the momentum of your body to lift your body up. This strength exercise will build your shoulder muscles and help in doing these moves. First, do a handstand against the wall about 6 inches to a foot away, placing your feet on the wall. Now dip your body down using your arms and shoulders to lift you up. In step 5, you will be doing step 4, but this time pushing chest outward and crossing legs. By pushing your chest out, it will make it easier to lock into position. Your arms should be a little wider than shoulder width. In step 1, from seated position, you will be rocking backward onto shoulders. Now raise right arm overhead and rock onto elbow and forearm. Step 2, you will do step 1, except this time pushing upward with your legs while you roll onto your elbow and forearm. Fully extend legs upward and push down with your forearm and elbow. Make sure your forearm is not sweaty so you will not slip when doing the move. In action, it is optional to cross your legs when you're fully extended upward. In step 1, from 6-step position, cross left leg over right and place body weight on elbow. Again, cross left leg over right, place body weight on elbow at outer midsection of body. In step 2, do step 1, except now push down with right hand onto elbow, bracing your balance with left hand inside of your head. Notice the position of right arm and elbow and position of left arm for support. Again, do step 1, push down with right hand onto elbow, bracing your balance with your left hand and the side of your head. In step 3, you will be concentrating on leg position. Left leg straight, right leg bent.